Hey guys, Ryan Tech Tips here, and in today's video we have a recipe. This is one of my go-to recipes. This is Remington James REESE'S Anabolic Blizzard. Again, sipping on the pre-workout as we usually do. Going to get some chairs out of the way. Alright. So, yeah, let's make this. Alright, so to start with, we need, what do we need? 32 grams of whey protein powder, whatever flavor that you like, or we are going with just like your basic vanilla for this. Alright, just get a scoop. Yes, you got 32 grams protein powder. Yesterday I made 31, 32, perfect. Remington James Anabolic Peanut Butter Cookies. Yeah, those tasted very, very good. Not sure which I'm going to post first, though. Okay, next ingredient, we want 16 grams of powdered peanut butter. So it could be PB2, PBfit. There really is no difference. 60 calories per 15 grams, and for that you get 6 grams of protein. Not bad. Alright. Next ingredients, yeah, we're going to go with 85 grams of plain, oh, actually, hold on, wrong yogurt. We're going to go with 85 grams of plain Greek yogurt. Not regular yogurt, Greek yogurt, nice and thick. Very, very nice. So yeah, the one I'm using right here, just like your basic. Tons of protein, low calories, and 0 fat. Alright, 85 grams. Alright, next ingredients. Trying to go through this as fast as we can. Alright. 65 grams of unsweetened almond milk. 65 grams. That's not a lot. I'll show you guys right here. You want to add some liquid, but you don't want to add too much. The less liquid that you add, the thicker the ice cream will be. But you still need to add some liquid. You can add water if you want. I just prefer to use the unsweetened almond milk. Okay, next ingredients. What do we need? Yeah, 7 grams of vanilla pudding mix. You guys should be using the sugar-free one. However, I couldn't find it. I looked at both Safeway and Canadian Superstore and Save-On Foods, and Walmart, and I couldn't find it. Yeah, not good. But I got the regular one. So I'll have to add the extra calories, but at the end I'll show you guys the exact macros because yeah, you should be using the sugar-free. That's what Remington James uses. There, perfect. And guys, this will last you a long time. I only use like 7 grams, 100, then there's 102 grams in this entire container. Alright, what is next? What is next? We use that. Okay, let's go ahead and add 3 grams of Xanthan Gum. Two grams of Xanthan Gum. 2.5. God, what is it going to get? 3. 3 grams, perfect. Okay, next we want 40 grams of Reese's peanut butter cups. Peanut butter puffs, sorry, not cups. Alright. Oh, alright. Okay, next is 300 grams of ice. Ideally, you should have like the fridge as the ice, but I only have ice trays. Actually, I'm just gonna swap that out. Get some fresh ice. And guys, this thing expands like crazy. Thanks to the Xanthan Gum, so that is a key ingredient. Some of the stuff you can skip over, but the Xanthan Gum you need. Alright. Alright, also I should mention we are using the 1100 watt Ninja blender. Yeah, so if you have a more powerful Ninja blender or a less powerful Ninja blender, it'll need to like blend differently. Okay, so we have everything in here, right? Yeah, alright, cool. Let's blend it up. Alright, let's go. Alright, after blending for a little bit, you just go in, scrape the sides. I blend for like 3 minutes. Scrape the sides. Guys, it's already turning out like ice cream. Amazing. Alright, let's blend again. Alright, after blending for a few more minutes, it should look like this. And again, blizzard tests, it passes. Okay, perfect, perfect. Oh, easy, passes easy. Alright, let's take a seat and try this together. Alright. Reese's Anabolic Blizzard. Reese's Anabolic Blizzard. All right. Perfect. All right. Yeah. So let's take a seat. There's only. Can you see me? All right. Yes, you can. Perfect. So guys, 400. It's like 400 something calories, and you got like 46, maybe like 50 grams of protein. If you're curious, I'll post the exact macros on screen. Really good. Wow. And guys, like at Dairy Queen, you can't like, guys, 5 cups of ice cream at Dairy Queen, like that's, if you get like a Reese's Blizzard, that's like 1,500 calories. No way near the protein, the fat is through the roof. And you get like, this could probably fill up like 2 cups of like the large Dairy Queen Reese's Blizzard. It's amazing. It really is good. It really is good. For only 400 calories, you get all this volume. This really will, like, does it taste as, like, does it taste as amazing? No, it doesn't. That's the Dairy Queen Blizzard's 10 on 10. This is an 8 on 10. This is going to make you full, and you can just keep eating this. There's so much of it. And after you eat the Dairy Queen Blizzard, you don't feel that good. But with this, this is my pre-workout meal. So I'm going to eat this, go work out. Gives me plenty of energy for that, and I'm not spending like a bunch of calories. So trying to stay lean on a low calorie diet, this is perfect. Amazing. And like you taste the Reese's in this. So yeah guys, try Remington James Anabolic Reese's Blizzard. Let me know what you think. I will end off with saying, yeah, check out Remington James. I reminded you in the last Anabolic Blizzard video that I made, you shouldn't use a Vitamix, just because it only blends half of it, and it can certainly ruin the Vitamix. It almost burnt out my Vitamix motor, and then I picked this up perfect, and then this did perfect. But you need a powerful blender to do this. So this, you get like a $100 Ninja blender, it's perfect. And then once you get that, like all of these ingredients I used are super cheap. You can get it like pretty much anywhere. So yeah, okay, that's going to do it for this video. Until next time, like, subscribe, and I'm out. Alright, peace.